Paying with an N26 virtual card is a convenient and secure way to make transactions online or in mobile apps. To get started, you will need to have an N26 account and the N26 mobile app installed on your device. First, open the N26 mobile app and log in to your account using your email address and password or fingerprint if enabled. Once logged in, navigate to the Cards section, where you will find your physical and virtual cards listed. If you do not already have a virtual card, you can create one by clicking on the Add New Card button and following the prompts. You will be asked to confirm your identity and agree to the terms and conditions. Once your virtual card is set up, you can use it to make payments online or in mobile apps. To do this, select the virtual card as your payment method at checkout, and enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. These details can be found in the N26 mobile app. Under the Cards section, you can also use the app to automatically fill in the card details, making the payment process even more convenient. When making a payment, ensure that you are using a secure connection, and always verify the merchant's identity to avoid any potential scams. Additionally, keep your virtual card details safe, just as you would with a physical card. One of the benefits of using an N26 virtual card is that you can easily freeze or unfreeze it if you suspect any suspicious activity, or if you simply want to take a break from spending. You can also set a daily spending limit to help you stay on top of your finances. In the event that you need to make a return or request a refund, you can do so by contacting the merchant directly, or by reaching out to N26 customer support for assistance. Overall, paying with an N26 virtual card is a straightforward and secure process, offering a convenient and flexible way to make transactions online or in mobile apps. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy the benefits of using an N26 virtual card while keeping your financial information safe.